Hey everybody, Stu here with an all levels strum lesson. This is going to be for beginners all the way up to intermediate skills. Let's work out our strumming with an easy 3-chord song. Hope you'll get your ukulele and join in with me. The 3 chords we're going to play are G. We'll play 4 beats of G, 1 bar, then 1 bar of C, then 1 bar of G, and then 1 bar of D7. This is the chord progression for the classic song, The Lion Sleeps Tonight. Now, everything I'm sharing with you in this video will be the foundation for a great 10-minute workout, and there's a link to that in the description below, and that's where we're just going to go through each strum. This is a wonderful thing to do every day and will really build your skills. If you've been playing for years and you think that this basic strum is, if you're beyond it, can I just share that backstage, before I'm about to play for thousands of people, this is the kind of stuff I do. I play simple music, not fancy music, not complex music, because I want to get my body loose, and I want to get my groove solid, and want to make sure that I'm listening closely to the present moment. Once I'm locked in and I'm really listening, the other stuff kind of comes out much more easily. Try this right now. Hold out your pointer finger, touch your thumb right between the 2 knuckles, wherever's comfortable for you, and make sure that the tip of the finger is loose. Make sure you're strumming with the wrist. We don't want to be banging at the ukulele. Brush the strings lightly, and let's strum the chord progression. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now count silently. See if you can do this with breathing deeply. Yep, and of course you could do that many minutes, just working it out. Notice I already leveled up. This would be, black belt newbie stuff. And that would be to not only strum 4 to the bar, but to make sure beats 2 and 4 are stronger. Here's the way you do it. When you're brushing the strings, I like to pretend that I'm finger painting, just brushing over a canvas, or I'm touching a beautiful baby's face, just something tender. And make sure most of your strums are light like that. Then whip the strings a little harder on beats 2 and 4. This will triple your musicality right away, even with a simple strum like this. Let's nail the backbeat. 1, 2, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. A wimbo, 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 a sing along. A wimbo, 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 ho ho. You could, of course, take that, repeat it, and that's what the other workout video is going to be about. You can check the link in the description below. Let's move on now to the next level of strum. Notice I've already said it. I was saying, awimbo, 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 awimbo. This is the sound of the strum, a steady stream of 8th notes. We're going to be adding some cool nuances to it in just a moment, but first, let's just play the basic shuffle with these chords. Are you ready? 2, 1, 2, here we go. Awimbo, 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 awimbo. One more time now. Awimbo, 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 hey ho. So what we're doing there is we're keeping a steady shuffle rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It shuffles, okay? It's bouncing along an 8th note that's uneven. There's a whole lot more I'm going to share with you in this video, but just want to say real quick, if you're digging this and getting some value out of it, will you please hit the like button? Please subscribe to this channel. I'm almost at 70,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, and I hope you'll join our community at Patreon for your support. You get all kinds of cool perks with membership. There are links in the description below. Let's keep on jamming. Now we can really level up our intermediate shuffle strum by starting to pay attention to the upbeats. Now, there is a way of counting that, but there is an even more accessible way, and that is if you can say it, you can play it. Join in with me and just listen and then copy. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. awimbo way, awimbo way, awimbo way, awi, aw, awimbo way, awimbo way, awimbo way, ah, ah, awimbo way, awimbo way, awimbo way, ah, ah, ah. Now, I know it sounds kind of funny, but what we're doing is we are making accented patterns on where the up strums would be. You might want to muffle your strings while you practice this for the first time. Nice and slow. Say it and play it. Ready? Awimbo way, awimbo way, awimbo way, ah, ah, awimbo way, awimbo way, awimbo way, ah, ah, ah. Now, some folks would ask, well, what happens to the backbeat? Well, backbeat is still there, but this accented pattern is something that you'll be wanting to use as a fill. You know, it's a drum fill, so every 4 or 8 bars you can put this variation in. I tend to do it at the end of a phrase. Let me demonstrate for you, and then you can join in with me, of course. Ready? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. All right, this can be a little tricky to coordinate at first, so go very slow. The pattern, once more, on the D7 chord would be 1 and 2 and 3, up, up. That would be putting 2 upbeats in there. 1, 2, and 3, up, up. You could also put 3 in there. 1, 2, up, up, up. All right, you want to feel this stuff. Of course, it's helpful to count out, follow along with the notation here on the screen. And by the way, all kinds of extra lessons that go deeper into this will be available for patrons at the links below. Let's add one last thing to this and just jam. Now, there's of course a lot more we can add to this strum. There's the fan stroke, there's chucking, there's triplets, and I've made videos about each of those subjects. Check the links in the description below if you want to study those. And of course, I'll be making more video tutorials about these important subjects of the fan stroke, chuck, triplet. They are the kind of strum spice that you always want to keep in heavy rotation, okay? They get easier and easier the more you do it. Let me teach you one final advanced strum, and then let's just jam. Here is the advanced strum. We'll learn it on the G chord. It goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down, up, chuck, up, 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 down, up, chuck. This is an amazing strum for shuffle and steady rock feel. They do a good job in the city, working for the man every night and day. I mean, you've got a drummer in your pocket right here. It's a little Charlie Watts that you're carrying around with you everywhere. Now that we've reviewed all the strums, we're ready to jam the whole tune. Click right here for the full strum workout. We're going to play the entire song, Lion Sleeps Tonight, and we'll be playing all the strums. You can play the beginner all the way up to the advanced stuff that I showed in this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you over there. I hope music is making your day wonderful today. Thanks.